The following product in this video was gifted to me by Dr. Kellyann. Today I want to show you what I do with this bone broth. I am on a bone broth kick, a high protein kick. I need things that will make me feel great right away. I don't have time to waste. If I'm going to have a cup of something hot, I wanted to have protein in it. I wanted to make my body feel satiated and feel energetic. I'm going to show you right now what I do with this. Okay, here we go. Hey everybody, it's Carol. How you doing? I'm so happy to see you here today. I used to always buy chicken broth or beef broth, which has no protein in it. And then I started reading about bone broth. And I know I could make it, but I haven't, yes. This company sent this to me. They sent me 2 boxes of this. It says sriracha. I thought it was going to be hot and spicy, but it's not. And each packet, 15 grams of protein. Wow. You won't believe how good it can make you feel. And this tastes really, really good. There's like no icky protein taste. Dr. Kellyann Petrucci, a naturopathic physician, celebrity nutritionist, and best-selling author of Kellyanns Bone Broth Diet. And I'm going to put her link to her YouTube video that she explains it. So anyway, it has 1 gram of carb, no fat, and 15 grams of protein with grass-fed bovine collagen. Now I'll show you. There's 2 ways that I make it. 1, easy in the microwave, and if I want to get a little fancy, I put it on the stove. I add so many delicious things to it. I add vegetables, I add raviolis, I add pierogies, I add chicken, tofu, scallions, corn, carrots, onions, garlic. You could add everything, and you don't have to add anything. But I'm going to show you right now. I took with my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, so here we go. Okay. This is what I'm going to put in my bone broth. I'm going to put a piece of cheese that I cut up and freeze, so I have nothing wasted in my house. Because I'm only one person here. I'm putting in potato pierogi. I'll put 2. I'm just wild like that. Okay, I'm going to add some of these peas. These are like little ice cubes. So I'm going to put all this in the cup and put it in the microwave. Okay, let's see. I'll put the cheese in last. Dr. Kellyann grass-fed bovine collagen sriracha chicken. Look, 15 grams of protein. That is what I love. This is how you make an instant soup. That's healthy for you. You know what this does for you? This is crazy good. Each savory serving is made from chicken bones and packed with protein, collagen, and some good stuff. It's the perfect way to satisfy hunger cravings. Okay, we're going to make a pot of sausage and potatoes, and I'll show you how I do it. First, I take some onions. Olive oil, onions, potatoes, Microwave. Okay, we're going to put a little red wine vinegar, ketchup, olives, garlic, garlic powder, a ton, black pepper, So this is my quick soup, stew, whatever you want to call it. But it's got onions, garlic, green olives, sausage, potatoes. You could put beans, you could put corn, you could put tofu, you could do anything with this. It's just a great recipe. And the best part is I put Dr. Kerryanns Bone Broth. I've totally switched from plain chicken broth or beef broth. Now I do bone broth because it's got 15 grams of protein in each envelope. So I thought I would just throw some in here and make this more of a protein dish. Oh, there's my timer. Then I will put some cheese, some mozzarella. Okay. Now I'm going to put ravioli, cheese ravioli, and I'm going to put a mozzarella, a cheese mozzarella. You could just load it up with whatever you want. Oh my goodness. And I'll throw this one in the mug, and this will cool it down. So yeah, this is an amazing dish, and it's just done with ketchup, red vinegar, onions, garlic, and I throw sausage in there. And the sausage I throw is, I think it's Johnsonville or Jonesville. I think it's Johnsonville. I do the sweet sausage, and it's the best. I've never had a complaint yet. So thank you, Dr. Kellyann, for gifting me this bone broth. And I feel good after I have it. And it's all this good stuff here. Non-GMO, no dairy, no soy, no gluten. Slow-simmered recipe unleashes those mouth-watering bone broth flavors while delivering the hearty nourishment your whole body craves. You really, really feel good after this, let me tell you. It's very true. And there she is. Yeah, slow-simmered for 8 hours, ready to drink in 1 minute. They slow simmer it, but you can just microwave or boil some water, put it in a mug, and then fancy, do anything you want to it. Salt, pepper, herbs, potatoes. So delicious. I put potatoes, and now I have a ravioli in there. How delicious is this? Woo! And I just keep it on low. I think it's done. Oh, Dr. Kellyann. Nice broth we've got here. Wow. Is that not fabulous? That's so delicious. And sometimes I don't know what to eat for lunch, but I want to run out and I want to do errands, but I feel too weak. I just microwave a cup of water and throw this in and take it with me, and I'm good for a few hours. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. You are my go-to girls. You are my go-to people. I love connecting with you. It makes my day. It really makes my day. So have a great day, a great night, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you all.